Okay, hi. So, this is all about baby bumps. Which celebrities are pregnant this 9 months, I guess? Okay, so in latest news, we have Pink. She thinks that her baby bump, every picture of it is disgusting. So she took one herself and sent it into the magazines. Yes, that's what she did. She sent a picture of herself into the magazines. Next, we have Mariah Carey and Nick Cannon with their baby boy and baby girl. They're having, well, obviously twins. One's a boy, one's a girl. Like I just said, I'm just babbling now. Anyways, and our next baby bump soon to be mommy is Natalie Portman. Yes, Natalie Portman, the one from the creepy, disturbing, crazily amazing movie Black Swan. Yes, never see Black Swan if you're under the age of 59. Anyways, yes, so off the subject, she is trying to protect her little baby from all the stuff that that's going on in her life with all the controversy over the movie and all that kind of stuff. She wants to protect her little baby. Well, good luck with that. Anyways, this is the end of this OMG report. So, thanks for subscribing.